Dear student, this is Divine Love Seminar. I am AMRITA VIMALA. Vedic Mathematics Sutra-1 Ekadhikena Purvena, Class 5. In this, I am going to teach 3-digit addition. If the remainder number comes, means how we should calculate. Okay. First, focus the numbers. Okay. Ones place number, tens place number, hundreds place number. Ones place number, if it is above 10 means we should calculate that number 10 to tens place numbers. Okay. In tens place, if the number is above 100 mean we should calculate that 100 to 100 place numbers. Now we will start. Okay, 691 plus 432. See the image. Right. 100 place, what is that? 600 plus 400. 1000 is the answer of the 100 place. Tens place, 90 plus 30. 120. 120 means it is 100 and above 100. Okay, so what we have to do, that 100 we should calculate to 100 place number, keep in your mind. Then ones place number, what is that? 1 plus 2, 3. All the answers is highlighted in colors, just see the image, and remainder is highlighted in pink color, right? See the image and write. Now we are going to calculate the numbers. First, we should calculate the remainder number. 100 plus 100 place number. 100 we should first keep in your mind. 600 plus 400 is 1000. So, 100 plus 1000 is 1100. This number keep in your mind. Then go to tens place. 90 plus 30 is 120. So, what you have to do? 100 we gave and we calculated. 1120. Okay. Then again 1120 keep in your mind. Then add ones place number. 1120 plus ones place number, add 1 plus 2, 3. So, what it will come? 1123 is the answer. In this, I am going to teach 3-digit addition. Now, we will see the mind calculations. Okay. 691 plus 432. As usual, left side to right side we should calculate. Okay. Ones place number, just what is that? 1 plus 2 is a 3. It is not above 10. Just leave it. Then go to tens place. 90 plus 30 is 120. It is above 100. What you should do? If it is above 100 means this number 100 is calculated to 100 place numbers. Okay. Now we will calculate. Just see here, focusly here. First calculate the remainder number. 100 plus 600 is 700. 700 plus 400. What it will be? 1100. 1100 keep in your mind. Then go to tens place. 90 plus 30 is 120. 100 we calculated. So, how you should calculate? 1120. 1120 plus what? Ones place number. 1 plus 2 is a 3. So, 1123 is the answer. Dear students, this is my kind request. Please give your comments. Thank you. Dear students, please subscribe and share. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.